Dive into the heart of the South Pacific and discover New Caledonia, a gem where French flair meets tropical paradise. Here's how to navigate this archipelago like a true expert. Before you pack your bags, immerse yourself in the geography and culture of New Caledonia. Understand the indigenous Kanak people and their traditions to truly appreciate the island's soul. And remember, timing is everything. Visit during the dry season from May to September for perfect weather and a chance to witness humpback whales in their natural habitat. Bonjour and merci aren't just polite. They're your keys to unlocking genuine interactions. A little French goes a long way, so brush up on those basics to connect with the locals. Nouméa is your cultural gateway, with the Chibao Cultural Center as a highlight. But don't stop there. The world's largest lagoon awaits with its underwater kaleidoscope, and the Isle of Pines promises postcard-perfect scenery. To truly walk in the shoes of a New Caledonian, engage with the community. Savor the traditional bunya, sway to the rhythm of Kanak music, and wander through the bustling Port Moselle market. As a visitor in this biodiverse haven, tread lightly. Choose reef-safe sunscreen, stick to trails, and say no to single-use plastics. Your eco-conscious choices help preserve the island's natural wonders. Lastly, pack smart. Light clothing, sun protection, and a waterproof bag for those spontaneous adventures. With these tips in hand, you're ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. Bon voyage, and may your New Caledonia experience be as rich and vibrant as the island itself.